Double stops violin, always a little bit easier to play in a detached bowing scenario such as this. If she wrote this as a legato etude or some sort of mixed bowing situation, it would be much harder to play. Think about double stops as shapes, as memorized shapes, and you're just kind of going from one block, one shape into the next throughout. And that is a helpful way to establish memory for how to proceed with etudes such as this. It's a great etude for learning double stops. If you guys enjoying the videos, I hope to see you in the next video, and I hope to see you subscribe to my channel. I've been watching this channel grow, and it's just been fascinating and amazing to me. And thank you everyone for subscribing. Thank you.